Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to open a Mercury bank account for your LLC in 2025 step by step. Step 1, go to mercury.com and click Open Account. Step 2, choose LLC as your business structure and click Continue. Step 3, enter your basic business information like name, address, website, and EIN number. Step 4, upload the required documents like your LLC information certificate, operating agreement, and EIN confirmation letter. Step 5, provide your personal details including government ID, SSN if you're in the US, and contact info. Step 6, if you're a non-resident, you may be required to show proof of US business activity. Step 7, submit your application and wait 2 to 3 business days for approval. Step 8, once you are approved, you can now access your digital banking dashboard and start using your Mercury account. And now, your LLC is all set up with a Mercury bank account. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.